In this video, I'm gonna share 5 amazing list tricks in Python that is going to enhance your knowledge and make your coding more efficient. So let's get started. So if you want to find the index of any element in a list instead of using any for loops, there's a simple function for doing that. First we will create a temporary variable, say I, then we will write list.index, and here suppose I want to find the index of 1. All that's left is to print I and see at which index is 1 present. And as you can see, 1 is present at third index. Let's move on to the next step. So here, suppose you are given a list and you want to add a certain element at the end of this list. Then here, you have to use the append function, and it's written as l dot append. And here, suppose I want to add blue here. Or let's print the list and see the results. And as you can see, blue is added at the end of this list. Let's move on to the next step. So suppose here you are given two lists and you want to add this list in the first list. Then here's a simple way to do that. You can use the extend function by writing l1 dot extend and our list that I want to add, which is l2. Now let's print l1, and as you can see, we have successfully added l2 to the l1 list. But suppose you want to create another list and you want to have elements of this and this list, then there's a simple way to do that. Suppose I want to name it as L3, and here all I got to do, I have to write L1 plus L2, and that's it. Let's print L3 and see, and as you can see, we have got the same results. Let's move on to the next step. So here you're given a list and you want to remove a certain element from a list, then you can use the remove function. For example, here I want to remove E from this list. Then I can write L1 dot remove, and then I can write E here. And let's print the list and see the results as well. Let's run the code. And as you can see, E is removed from the list. But suppose you are given the index of an element and you want to remove that. For that, we have pop function. And here, suppose I want to remove the first element, which will be 0. Now let's print the list and see the results. And as you can see, we have removed first element from this list successfully. Let's move on to the next step. So here, suppose you are given a list and I remove E from here. And now your job is to add E in this list. Then here, there's a simple way to do that. So I want to add E at the fourth index, as you can see, after D. Then I can use the insert function by writing list dot insert, and then the format of insert is index comma element. So index is 4 and element is E. Let's print the list and see the results, and as you can see, we have successfully added E at the fourth index. Now here are some more functions that you should always know while handling list. So the first function is clear, and the clear function removes all the element from this list. Let me show you by printing the list, and as you can see, the list is empty. But if you want to permanently remove this list from the memory of Python, then you can use the del function, and here you can write the list name, and that's it. Now let me try printing L1. It should return error, and as you can see, we have removed L1, so it's not defined.